Alright, hello everyone. It is now Saturday, April the 7th, and we are going to jump in here and set up for today. I could probably fit Saturday over here, but I'm going to go ahead and put it over here and just do Saturday and Sunday together here. So I'm going to jump in here, set up for today, and I will be right back. Alright, there we have it. That is how my day is shaping up. I've got a YouTube video that I want to get out today. I'm still not sure if I want to do the pin wall or if I'm going to do a journal review or something like that, but I will get another video out today one way or another. I want to work on more sticker designs, sketch out next week ahead of the live tomorrow, which is going to be happening at 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, because we're in Daylight Savings Time now, so it'll be 3 p.m. Eastern, which is 8 p.m. over in the UK, or most of it anyways, and that would make it 12 p.m. Pacific. So, based on your time zone, you can figure out what time I will be on. Alright, I want to try and release another new sticker sheet today, and I think I can. I think I have one that I really like, and I'm working on new character designs. What I thought, because my hair is silver, no one seems to have the silver haired little characters like I like, so I thought I would design my own. But if you know of some good ones on Etsy or anywhere else, let me know down in the comments. I would definitely like to check them out. But as of right now, I am going to design a little girl character of my own, sort of a little chubby kawaii girl or whatever, and then maybe a little unicorn or some other little animal with a silver look to it. So, alright, and then I am announcing the giveaway winner today as well, so I'm getting everything set up for that. The rain finally made it here, so I put my weather sticker up here, and that is how my day is going to shape up. So I will see you all back here tonight for the evening review. Alright everyone, what's up? We are fast approaching 9 o'clock here, and so I'm going to go ahead and close everything out for today so that I can get the vlog edited and uploaded. So first off, I need to mark off what I got done today. Alright, so that is my time bar. I did not do the video today. I have not been feeling great today, and so it was raining all day, and the weather has just sucked, so that means the lighting has just sucked, and we're just going to have to put the second video off for now. Maybe I can get to it tomorrow before the live. Alright, new sticker designs. I did work on new sticker designs, so I got 2 pages that are coming out today. These cute little sloths by Handmake are coming out again, like the flamingos did yesterday. So here's your collectible little minion, and here is the icon, but you get 10 different sloths as well. And then we also have the flower time bar tracker. The Kiss Cup version of this is now being released in the shop tonight as well. So for this, you can choose which one you want to do. If you're more active in the AM and less active in the PM, you can use the outside ring as your AM. Or if you're more active in the PM like me and less active in the AM, and you can use the inside for your AM and the outside for your PM. It doesn't matter. So the inside bar is one set of 12 hours, and the outside of the pedal is the other half of the 12 hours. And I may be using these coming up in the week ahead for my time bar instead of the ones that I have been using. But these are the 2 sheets that are going to come out today. I did sketch out next week. Now, instead of doing a realistic sort of animal, I went with sort of cartoony, sketchy doodly baby animals, but I'm doing woodland animals for next week, which I thought were cute. So there's a little baby deer, a little baby mouse, a little baby bunny, a raccoon, and a bird, a fox, a deer. Okay, so bunches of little baby animals back there, which I will set up tomorrow at 3 o'clock during the live with everyone. And the reason why I did more cartoony and less realistic is because in order to be able to talk to you all and concentrate on what I'm doing at the same time, I thought I would make it a little bit easier on myself for this first one, because I really have never been live on YouTube before. Don't 100% know what I'm doing, and so we're gonna work some kinks out tomorrow, I do believe. So new sticker sheet is out. I did not get to work on my character designs, but I did announce the giveaway winner over in my story, and the giveaway winner is at Wet Yogurt, which apparently is some sort of inside joke as far as the name is concerned. But Wet Yogurt over on Instagram was the winner. And of course I looked up her name when I looked up to make sure that she qualified to win, and now I've forgotten it. So she has been announced over on my Instagram stories, and she is the winner of the 4K giveaway. Alright, so that is that. Oh, let's see. Gratitude. I'm going to be grateful today for sleeping in. How about that? Because I slept in a little bit this morning. I have not been feeling great lately. It's like one day I'm okay, and the next day I'm all oogie again. So it's just back and forth and back and forth, and I wish whatever it was would just get out already. So I'm going to say sleeping in, and I want to go up this way. So here we go. Alright, I am grateful today for sleeping in, and there it is. So, today, I'm going to go with meh for my mood chick. I said it right this time. I had to think about it, but I said it right. So, I've just sort of been a little out of it all day long, but that's okay. Making it work here. Alright. Green mood chick. Tracker. Alright. Emails. I did. Instagram, yes. Facebook, yes. Pinterest, I will do. Alright, letter, I did. Sketch, video, yep. Alright, I did not cook at home. I've not cleaned, and I will journal. Alright, so there's that one for today. Move it down. Alright. I was not up on time. I was in bed on time yesterday. Which I already marked off. Okay. Sales, yes. New product, yes. No spin, no, I didn't do that. I didn't throw anything in the trash. I did not work on tags. We will paint. It was not a me day, and I did not work on the blog. Okay. So there is that. Alright, so pain went up a little bit today. I've been fighting a headache all day long. Hydration, still about the same as yesterday, so we'll keep that. Alright, energy, nope, don't have any. Activity, to get up and move some today though. Mood and productivity. I still got quite a bit done considering, so I'm okay with that. Alright, let's do sleep. I was up off and on. Okay, work. All right. I fixed this from yesterday. All right, there is sleep and work. So that takes care of everything up here. So I'm gonna go blue today here, and it's only in the 50s, so I'll mark that here. All right, I did not take a picture of today either. The prompt for today is I just bought this, and well, what I bought today was a hard drive. So super exciting, I know. So I don't know if I'll take a picture of that or not. I really don't think so. But that is today's prompt, so I'll probably write it into the journal, if nothing else. All right, and yesterday I did the wrong one. I don't know if y'all can read this when I'm looking at them, but I did relax your soul yesterday, which was today's prompt, instead of realize your potential, which is yesterday's prompt. And so if I were you, I would have been yelling at the screen going, no, 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 you're doing the wrong day. But I can't hear you, just like the people that I yell at can't hear me. So we're gonna do yesterday's today. So realize your potential is what we're doing today, and I'm just gonna do that over in the journal, whichever way I set that thing down. And then we are doing watercolor arrows for this by Donna Cole prompt, which is also going to be over in the journal. And I chose a succulent today for the 100-day project prompt. All right, let's see. I put this in the wrong spot. All right. And today we are doing a ladybug for Oodles of Doodles. So fun. These videos have started to get right in, oh, shaky hands, end up being right around 30 minutes long. And if that is too long, let me know down in the comments, because everyone was like, no, we can listen to you, we'll watch the whole thing. But if they are starting to get a little long for people, I mean, I would like to know that. So just drawing our little ladybug in here, because yeah, I don't want to alienate people by having very long vlogs each day, but the combination of all the challenges sort of makes it difficult to keep them short, especially when I spend about 20 minutes doing the journal pages each day. Sometimes they take a little bit longer, sometimes they don't, but I mean, it just depends on what we're doing that day as to how long they take. And so if they're starting to get a little long for some people, I would really like to know that. But in the meantime, we're just going to keep on keeping on, I guess. Alright, so let's keep doing our ladybug here. So what I think is when I'm not talking, I'll time-lapse you through them a little bit, but not really do the music. And then we'll come back in when I have, I guess, something to say. If you have questions that you'd like me to answer tomorrow during the live, then let me know down in the comments also, because I have no clue what I'm going to be talking about. And since we're just setting up for the week ahead, unless I run out of things to do within, say, like the hour time slot or whatever, I plan on just doing the vlog like I normally would tomorrow night, where all the challenges and everything are. So we'll see how that works out. I'm really not sure what all I'm doing right now. Alright, so we need some green and some red for our ladybug. I don't really guess that this is a leafy green, but we're going to go with it because I've already started. Alright, so there is our ladybug. I'm going to give that a second to dry, because that started to get a little bit wet. Alright, and then we are drawing a couple. Oops, I just forgot to draw in my box again. It's becoming an issue. Alright, and for this, for a couple, I thought a doodly little couple would be cute, so we're just going to draw a doodly little couple holding hands. And when I say doodly, I mean doodly. So we've got our little girl here with pigtails. I'm gonna make a little boy here. Apparently with an alfalfa sprout in the back. Alright. He's gonna be a boy, and give him some shorts and give her a little dress. Little arms. Oh, how cute. And, ooh, well, that foot got a little off, but it's okay. Oh, alright, so, how cute. Alright. I don't know how I want to sort of watercolor these little fella, or this little couple, but alright, there is our couple for today. So definitely something anybody can do for the doodle challenge. So alright, let me draw my box in for this one. And that is going to call that done. Alright, so we are moving on to journal. Don't realize your potential. some watercolor arrows, which I haven't really decided on yet, a succulent, and then journaling in the middle. Alright, so let's see. Here we go, and I'll see you back here at the end. Alright, y'all, that is going to be it. There's just some watercolor arrows. Really simple, because I think the colors were starting to bleed through the page, because I have not done a pen test, watercolor test, or anything in this Scribbles That Matter, and my brush was a little bit wet. So you can see the arrow coming through on the flower there a little bit, the arrow coming through there a little bit. I don't think that the Iconics necessarily hold up to watercolor as well as the pros do, but that is just a guess at this point based on a couple of experiences today included. So I will probably be doing a watercolor test here in the back before I do anything else that has water in it. But there's my succulent, which is number 5. I put one of my slaws because this is how I've been feeling all day today over here. For the colors, this is Aqua Dolce, Blue Moon, no, Nebula, and Blue Moon in the gelatos. So I have a very blue thing going on here. I think I saw this font, and I cannot remember what it was called, from mom.love over on Instagram. I will link her below because she is doing, I believe she's doing fonts for her 100-day project. So I thought that I would give that a shot here and then realize your potential. So this is going to wrap it up for today. I will see y'all all again tomorrow for the vlog and for the live at 3 p.m. Eastern time, whatever the time that is for you. So subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you found it at all helpful. If you didn't find it helpful and feel the need to give it a thumbs down, let me know in the comments below why, so I can improve the channel for you. Until next time, everyone, happy journaling. Bye.